Good evening, dreamers and believers. In just a few minutes, the Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment, presented by Pandora Jewelry. In order for you to fully experience tonight's performance, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Our journey will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Tonight, we gather in a most enchanted kingdom. One overflowing with magic. And once upon a time, it all began with a dream.
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast, it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine. Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and life of Walter Elias Disney. May Walt Disney World bring joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. A magic kingdom where the young and hearts of all ages can laugh and play and learn together. Dedicated to the 25th day of October, 1971.
Oh boy, this place sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you! Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far. Now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
It's like a magical carpet ride. Travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can.
Supposed to be your guide.
Be your guide. 'Cause it's there inside.
If you believe today
It's possible tomorrow.
that's the
Let your heart
way.
the magic of dreams come true is calling out to you, inspiring each of you to wish upon a star. Follow your hearts and discover a world full of wonder. Like those who have answered the call, if you allow your dream to be your guide, you may be surprised by what you discover. So long as you simply believe.
I remember someone told me
Fairy tales can come true.
you gotta make them happen.
It all depends on you.
This town can slow you down,
People taking the easy way.
but I know exactly where I'm going. I'm getting closer, closer every day. I'm almost there.
I'm almost there,
People out here think I'm crazy,
but I don't care. Trials and tribulations, I had my share.
but I've climbed the mountain, I've crossed the river, and I'm almost there. Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar, but scars can heal and reveal just where you are. The people you love will change you. The things you would learn will guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you.
And so, we have found what we seek. The magic of dreams come true, in fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in their heart, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.
Oh, just believe and then close your eyes. You can go anywhere while you soar in the air.
It's your imagination,
Let it fly.
if you believe today, it's possible tomorrow. Let's start the way, and all your dreams will follow. Doesn't matter where you are, 'cause the spark is in your heart.
You are the magic!
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular Disney Enchantment, presented by Pandora Jewelry. We invite you to enjoy the rest of your evening here at the Magic Kingdom.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.